9 bathroom shower remodel ideas. When you have two different services, that is, full-size tub and shower, in the same room, you risk visual chaos. For example, a smooth acrylic bathtub surround may clash with a shower's tile surround. To avoid this, try matching materials. Any homeowner intent on remodeling a shower is probably also looking for ways to defray costs. One-time tested, surefire way to save money on a shower remodel is to demolish the area by yourself. You already know that copious in-shower shelving room is needed for all of your soaps, shampoos, conditioners, and scrubbers. The more, the better. You'll adore your newly remodeled shower even more when you supersize it and add a light-filled frameless shower enclosure. Designer Jenna Berger did just that when she installed her own shower tile. With enough room for a bathing chair and plenty of light cascading through the frameless glass enclosure, this shower will make you never want to leave. As luxe as this shower remodel may seem, homeowner and unexpected elegance design blogger, Angela, calls it a budget makeover. Over 80 boxes of self-installed tile went into this gorgeous creation. She swears that she didn't have to spend a ton of money, though she admits to splurging on the cabinet hardware. Lately, whenever homeowners decide to remodel their shower-bathtub combinations, they opt to remove the tub and go shower only. Kim and Scott at Yellow Brick Home bucked the trend and not only kept the tub but replaced it with a sleek Kohler Bellwether cast iron white enameled tub. They dialed up the retro look by adding a ceramic regulator plate from Kohler's antique line. Watertight, bath-rated light fixtures exist for a reason. Showers can be dark. But there's a better way to banish shower gloom. When you can get it, natural light is best. When space is limited, you can't do much better than adding a corner shower. But what about when space is super tight, as in a tiny house? You add a quarter-round corner shower with a sliding door. Enclosed environments like showers trap moisture and are prone to mold and mildew. Bathroom exhaust fans are one way to combat the problem. But fans use electricity and aren't always effective. A better way is to increase air circulation at ceiling level. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.